This is our 79th lesson in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. I thought this is your last chance to be careful with beryllium, to learn regarding the beryllium treating, how to identify beryllium treated stones, and try to remember. This is very important thing, I think. So, cover photo will explain everything. I am moving to inside the lesson. Then, circular inclusions, very important. Try to identify with this picture. Circular inclusions resembling fish eggs. This is like fish eggs. We can find these in beryllium treated stones. This is well known fish eggs. You know, in earlier lesson, I taught spiral inclusions also there. Look at this. This is very special thing, fish eggs like. We are moving to inside the lesson. Now look at this. This is beryllium treated corundum. Look at the inclusions here. It is like fish egg. Try to understand and remember well. Next one. The same thing, little bit different. This is also beryllium treated corundum. Look at the inclusions here and see the fish egg like inclusion with the altered fingerprint. See, all are altered with high heat. Not only heated, but beryllium treated. This one, another beryllium treated corundum. See the inclusion here. And next one, beryllium treated corundum. See the inclusion appear here. Try to understand. This gives us the main evidence regarding the beryllium treating. This one, beryllium treated, another corundum inclusion, how we can see. Okay. It is very simple to remember. All the inclusions here are altered by the heat and the diffuse treatment. And this one also, beryllium treated corundum, see the inclusion. Look at here, another beryllium treated corundum. Look at the inclusions inside the corundum. All are altered by the high heat. And all the fingerprints also changed because of high temperature and the diffusion. Look at this. Discoid-like. All of fish egg-like appearance. All are altered by the high heat. Beryllium corundum. This one also. See the beryllium treated inclusion. All the inclusions here also altered by the high heat and the diffuse. Beryllium diffusion. Here also another beryllium heat treated corundum. Look at the inclusion type. All are same type. So it is easy to remember. Look at this. Beryllium heated. All are altered. Look at this also. Beryllium treated. And look at this. What are the white color here? So the white color things are there. Whitish encrusted twinning planes with angular, sometimes triangular. Look, triangular dense clouds. It is like clouds. Little bit spiral look also there. Submicroscopic whitish particles are here. These whitish particles are giving the evidence regarding the beryllium treatment. What is here? Circular inclusions. Circular inclusions resembling fish eggs in a beryllium treated sapphire. In this lesson, we learned this very well. This is called fish eggs. And here, inclusion with newly formed healing feather due to decomposition and melting of an inclusion. This feature is found in a beryl. This feature is found in a beryl. We can see this inside the beryl stones, not the sapphires. It is beryllium treated. You can see the spiral cascades of spiral clouds included in a beryllium treated blue sapphire. These cloud-like, spiral-like inclusions give the main evidence regarding the beryllium treatment. So it is very easy to remember. These inclusions are completely different than the natural and high heat treated sapphires. It is different. This is give the evidence regarding the beryllium treatment. See, in this gem, surface diffusion treated blue sapphire, you can see the blue zones enriched along facet joints and the girdle color is enriched there. So this is beryllium treatment. It spreads only in the surface. Sometimes 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter depth is the area. Surface diffusion. Beryllium treated blue sapphire. Blue zones enriched along facet joints and the girdle. You can see. This is under the immersion, methylene iodide immersion. We can see the inclusions here like this. So in the next lesson, that means lesson 80, L80, we will begin the next lesson by identifying differences in sapphire inclusions from different countries. Very useful thing. We are grading the sapphire inclusions according to the origin countries. So it is interesting. By identifying inclusion, the country of origin can be identified here. For that, you should study all the inclusion lessons thoroughly. I explain natural inclusions in one playlist. Another playlist, there are heated inclusions. Another playlist, there are beryllium treatment. Another playlist, in future, you will get the synthetic inclusions in ruby and sapphire. So please be subscribed and press the bell icon. We are moving to the next lesson in the next week. Every twice a week, Saturday, 5 p.m., I will upload the lesson. So we will meet on lesson 80 next.